Here in this video, we are going to do the installation and setup. For React application, we have needed npm, which will be installed by installing Node. Then after we are going to install VS Code editor, then we will be creating React project, and finally we end up with a hello world application. Let's download Node. Here is the recommended version that you have to download. I have already downloaded, so I am going to install it. Once double click, then there will be the installation process. So you have to proceed with it, and here we have the finish button. So that means the node is installed into our system. Here in the command prompt, let's verify that node is installed or not. So we have the command node -v. So we are getting the version number v12.14.0. So that means node is installed. So one more thing is npm -v. So we are getting the message that 6.13.4 version is installed. So that means both node as well as npm are installed into our system successfully. Let's download VS Code editor. From here you can download the VS Code editor. I have already downloaded, so I am going to install it. So once you will finish installation of VS Code editor, then that will be opened automatically. So here are few things that you have to do. So you have to go to the extension, and here I am going to install material icon theme. You can use whatever you want. So this is already installed. So let me install one more extension, React Snippet. This is just helping us to keep our coding little faster. Here we have another extension, Prettier Code Formatter. This is used to format our code on save. So let's install one more thing, which is React Developer Tool extension. So this is actually the Chrome extension, which is just helping us to debug our React components onto the developer console. Here you have to click on Add to Chrome, then click on Add extension, and this will be downloaded, and then you will end up with the installation of React Developer Tools. So let's create our first application. So let me enter into the ReactJS directory, in which I am going to create the projects. So here I have to create a React project. So I have the command npm create React app and then application name. So I am just giving it hello world. You can give anything you want. So here you will be seeing that there are some installation of packages. So once all the things are downloaded, application is created. So let's run this application. So npm start. This is the command. Sorry, here we have the error because we have to enter into the project firstly. So we have the project name hello world, so we have to enter into it and then put the command npm start. So this will automatically redirect us to the browser, and here we go. So let's do some customization to print the hello world onto the browser screen. So let's open the project, and here in the source folder we have app.js file, and inside of it we have to remove few lines of code. So I am just removing it. And then here I am writing hello world, and once you will save it and you will go to the browser, you will see that there is hello world. So let's see the developer console. So here is the tab of components, right? So once you will click over it, then you will find the component name, and on the right hand side you will get the information about that specific component, like props, state, and certain parameters, children, etc. Let's summarize what we done. We have installed Node, then after installed VS Code editor, and then finally we created hello world application. So what next? In the next video we will be understanding the directory structure of our React project. See you in the next video.